Whether you are visiting Regensburg with a Danube River cruise or traveling on your own, we invite you to explore the city's fascinating heritage through its delicious, authentic food. As you stroll along the old cobbled streets of the UNESCO Listed Old Town, the largest old town in Europe and the most Italian-influenced one north of the Alps, you'll enjoy 3 seated food tastings, each in a different local deli, with a different flavor. Find out what makes Regensburg sausages different from the rest of Bavarian places and try 3 in a bun, in the most historic sausage place, which is more than 1,000 years old. We'll literally eat our way through the old town, and in between the food tasting stops, we'll marvel at the stunning architecture, visit the city's landmarks, and uncover their secrets. We'll take you to the centuries-old medieval courtyards, which are keyholes into the city's heyday. We'll show you Regensburg off the beaten path. During the third food tasting stop, we'll try a local dessert in Germany's oldest coffee house and find out what connects this dessert with the most famous local legend on one hand and the Holy Roman Emperor on the other. Called the most Italian city outside Italy, Regensburg is definitely a hidden gem of Germany. Join us to explore through food, drinks, and exciting stories.